Right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd just come and have a chat, to be fair, what we've been doing. So we've done the Blackpool run and back. 58 miles there, 58 miles back. And if you've watched that, we were really tight again on the way back. Literally down to no range, 3 or 4% again. That was twice in 2 days. Come and have a bit of a chat with you. I have noticed, so this week I've tried again to get 200 miles out of it. I got 182, but it has gone a little bit warmer now, as you probably see by the beautiful sunshine, which is a bit weird because I didn't think we were doing this day because the forecast said it was going to be pouring down with rain, which is not great. So yeah, I got 181 and I got 6% left. It was still showing it would do 15 miles, so it wasn't far away. I've been doing some research. Right now I'll do 20 miles when it says it's got nothing. I wouldn't like to risk it. So that's where we're at there. DashCam. So those that have commented, this will probably come out just before you see who's won that, and we'll do a live auction with that. So what we're going to do, we're going to put those that have commented on both videos, we're going to give you a number because it's easier than putting all the names in. And I'll put on the screen whose number revolves to which name so you can see it. So whoever wins it, we'll post out to you free of charge, and I hope you enjoy the DashCam on us. I'd also like to say thank you to those of you that have subscribed, liking, and the comments. It looks like we've got a little bit of a community going, which is really, really good, which makes us carry on doing these. I would like you to tell me what you want to see, what you'd like us to go and do. You know, I'd like to take it to Europe, but we need a sponsor for Europe because a lot of public charging. I am going to start doing once a week a bit of EV news and charging news as that comes available, and a bit more what BYD are all about and what they're going to do, what models they've got coming out and sort of ranges, and we'll have a bit of a chat about those. She's nearly 3 months old. She'll be 3 months old next week, and we will do a full 3-month review. It'll be warts and all, what I like, what I don't like, what's getting on my nerves, what's not getting on my nerves. As you can see, it's had a bath. I'm also going to do you a video about this back window. The elephant in the room, no wiper. I've been out and bought a treatment for the glass. I'm going to do a video where we actually are now. I'm going to treat it. The car's been washed. I haven't brought any water. I've got fizzy water in the boot, so we'll test it with that. But what I'll do, I'll turn the car around. I'll show you me treating it, and then we'll do a water test on it. I've also videoed the last 3 weeks. I've purposely not washed the back window for 3 weeks. And to be fair, it's holding up pretty well. We've had a little tiny bit of frost. We've had some rain. But apart from that, the weather's been pretty good. It has been cold though. Bit of road salt. We have been gritting again in the UK. A lot of countries don't put road salt down, but we do over here. So I thought I'd just go on and do this, a bit of a ad hoc really, to be fair. A bit shorter content. We haven't really had much to talk about with the car. And it's also going to be 2,000 miles. So it's done 2,000 miles in 3 months. So with 2,000 miles review, which we'll talk about how it's driven, what I found out about the drive, what's wrong with it, what's right with it. And then we'll do a full interior review of 2,000 miles in 3 months and what it looks like inside. You know, has it worn? What would have changed and things like that. But I'd just like to thank you for, you know, the continued support. We get some really good numbers on the shorter videos. The longer ones I get, you know, they're an awful long time. So I'm going to try and keep them as short as we can going forward, 7, 8, 9 minutes, but try and put as much detail in them as we can. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the love you show the channel. Thank you. Take care now. Bye-bye.